How to fix bad sound quality on Windows. Hi guys, in today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about how you can fix if you are having sound issues or bad sound quality on your Windows device. So let's just get into it. First off, you need to go ahead and make sure that your physical connections are secure. So if you have a wired headphone or speaker, just need to make sure that those aren't damaged and they're working properly. Once you get that out of the way, if you're still facing issue, then in that case, you need to go over to the search bar and search control panel. Once you open up control panel, make sure the view by is selected to large icons, then go over to sound. This pop-up should appear here. On the sound tab, make sure that you have selected your headphones or speakers, whichever ones that you're using. I'll just select this one and you can set it as default if you want. Go to properties, and then from here you need to go ahead and go to levels, adjust it, then go to advanced. You'll find this drop down over here. You need to play around with these a bit to see which one works best for your device. You can try each one of them and see which one works the best. You can also try to check and uncheck each of these items to see if it improves your quality or not. If nothing works, you can basically tap on restore defaults and you're going to be good to go. Click on apply and then OK. Now go over to the recording tab and you basically want to disable all of the devices that you're not using currently. For example, this headset I'm not using. You can right click and then easily disable it. Do the same thing for other ones as well if you have multiple devices. After doing all of that, you are going to have to set your default microphone. Right click on it and go to properties. From here, go over to levels. Make sure that you adjust the level of your microphone. Click on OK and you're good to go. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.